Hi everyone, this is teacher Tianshi from Think Academy. So first of all, I'm so happy that many of you joined our incoming Algebra 1 practice camp, where we will do some practice problem every day and improve our overall correction rate and get ready for the Algebra 1 study starting this summer semester. So today's content is about the algebraic expression. And first of all, I would like to give you a brief review on the algebraic expression. So the most important concept related to the algebraic expression is the like terms. So for the like terms, actually need to have the same variable. And for example, x and y, they are not a pair of the like term because the variable are different. Secondly, the degree associated with the variable also need to be the same. So for example, x cubed and x squared. So they are now the like terms because even if the variable is the same, but they have the different degree. So in order to become the pair of the like terms, actually they need to have the exact same variable and the same degree. So for example, 2x squared and 6x squared, they are like terms because even if the coefficients are different, but the variable and also the degree associated with the variable is the same. And in order to simplify the algebraic expression, we have two steps. So first of all, we need to combine the like term, and second of all, if the question requires us to reorganize it into the standardized form, we need to make sure that the degree decreases. And this is now something required in today's practice problems. So no worries about it, but it may appear in your schoolwork or future study. So I would like to mention it here. So about the steps to solve for the algebraic expression. So here is the standardized steps. So first of all, if there is a question related to the parentheses, so the first step we need to do is to open up the parentheses and find the like term. And then we need to label the like term. So for example, we know that 3a squared and a squared negative a squared, they are like terms. So we can use curve to underline it in order to label the like term. And also we can underline the things related to a because they are like terms, so that we will not miss a like term or maybe count them twice. And then we need to combine the like terms by putting them into the parentheses and do the simplification. And then if the question requires us to write it in the standard form, we need to reorganize it in the way that the degree is decreasing. So here are the steps, and I will use this question as a sample question to do the calculation. So first thing, we notice that here are the parentheses. So we need to open the parentheses first. So here is the negative sign in front of the parentheses, which means that we need to flip the sign for everything inside the parentheses. So here we will have minus a squared and then plus 2a. And in the second parenthesis, so we have a plus sign in front of the parentheses, which means that we can keep the sign within the parentheses. So the first steps, open up the parentheses and find the like terms. And we need to label the like term. So here, 3a squared, negative a squared, and negative a squared. So they are the like term. And also 2a and 3a, they are a pair of the like term. We need to combine the like term by putting them into the parentheses. So here we can have 3a squared minus a squared minus a squared. So they are the like terms, and also 2a and 3a, they are like terms. So after combining the like terms, so we can do the calculation. So here is 2a squared minus a squared, which is a squared, and 2a plus 5a is 2a plus 3a is 5a. So we have already simplified the algebraic expression, and then we need to check whether it's in the standardized form. So the degree of a squared is 2, and the degree of a is 1. So it's already in the standardized form. So these are the standardized steps which we need to follow when solving for the algebraic expression. And then finally, I would like to talk about the last question, which is a challenging question for yesterday's work. So here, let's read this question together. So when x equals to 1, then ax cubed plus bx plus 4 equals to 2. Then what is the value of the algebraic expression when x equals to -1? So for this question, we know that the value of the algebraic expression when x equals to 1, which means that we can substitute x with the extra value 1 in the algebraic expression. So here, we need to substitute x with 1, which we will get a times 1 cubed plus b times 1 plus 4 equals to 2. So a plus b plus 4 equals to 2. So we don't know what is the exact value of a and b, but we know what is the value of a plus b if we perceive them as a combo, like a Big Mac combo or a popcorn and ice cream combo. So we know what is the value of a plus b as a combo. And we need to calculate what is the value of the algebraic expression when x is -1. So let's see what is the algebraic expression if we substitute x with -1 into this equation. So here we have a, and x is -1, so -1 cubed plus b, and x is -1 plus 4. So -1 cubed is -1 times -1 times -1. So there are 3 negative signs multiplied by each other, which means that the final answer will be -1, right? So a times -1 minus b plus 4 is the algebraic expression. So a times -1 is -a, and minus b plus 4. So we need to solve for this algebraic expression. So we don't know what is the exact value of a and b, but we know what is the value of a plus b. So if you look at these 2 algebraic expressions closely, what we know is a plus b, and what we don't know is minus a minus b plus 4. So here we can know that if we put a negative sign in front of the algebraic expression, we will get negative a plus b plus 4. So the algebraic expression we would like to calculate becomes negative a plus b plus 4. So for here, we already know a plus b is -2. So if we treat them as a combo, the value of this combo is -2, which we will get -2 plus 4. So the entire algebraic expressions becomes -2 plus 4, which is 2 plus 4, which is 6. So the value of this algebraic expression becomes 6. So from this question, we know that even if in some case we don't know what is the value for each variable, we can perceive them as a combo, and then we can substitute the value with the extra value of this combo together in order to do the calculation and get the final answer. Okay, so that's everything about today's content, and I'm looking forward to see your great performance in today's camp. Bye, guys.